Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I am Uhida Shah
We'll
from
take questions one by
Islamia
one.
College.
I think Islamia College ma'am was asking a question. It can just.
Yes, sir. I'm highly impressed. Highly impressed. I am highly impressed by the knowledgeable presentation, and we all are enlightened. And I would like to know that we as teachers, how could we help in colleges? How could we help the students in actually enhancing their skills? Apart from the skill courses that we are offering in choice-based credit system, how could we help them so that they may fall in the right direction in choosing their career and path? Can you give me some suggestions, please? Over to you, sir.
Thank you. I think it's. Answer.
Sir, there's a problem in audio. Mani sir, there's a problem in audio.
Yes. Just a moment, sir.
Now.
Naveen sir, kindly set right your system, and there is some problem in audio, sir. Naveen sir. Naveen sir, there is a problem in your audio. Yes. There is a problem in the audio. On कर बात नहीं यार इधर बात Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah, am I audible from here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so I was saying that her ma'am's question is very relevant in today's time and age, where a teacher has to, as a teacher, it's a responsibility to ensure that the students are getting ready for employment, especially in a college. So it's a very relevant question, and therefore I would like to say that my advice for teachers is that our job is to enable them. Our job is I may not be able to be skilling them in that particular work, but yes, in terms of what are the opportunities available in the industry, what are the areas, which are the companies which can offer them a chance to come and do a live project, which is where a teacher can understand that, because you're teaching a subject or any kind of a concept, the concept connectivity to the world of work becomes very critical. So if you're able to draw that connection and show them the opportunities that are available, these kids are very smart. They will find a way they will start taking up the project, which is where an industry academia connect is very critical in today's day and age. If we want to get an industry academia connect, where we have the industry connected to the academia, and through that we do live projects, we can create in our labs, in our kind of projects that are given, we could even use the college premises to start doing certain projects for the industry. Now, that's a futuristic area, and when we are doing some work like this in many colleges, where we say, okay, we have got mentors from the industry, and we launch projects through the college and say, let's do this project, and let these kids do this project, and next they start getting exposure to what happens in the world of work. So that is the way the actual skills can start getting developed, is what I feel, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for that answer.
Any more questions from the participants? Any more questions from the participants? Kindly, please.
Hello? Hello.
Jesus.
I have a question for Mr. Anand. First of all, I want to thank him for such an elaborative discourse on this. It has been very nice. It has been pictorially, it has been shown very nicely to the students. I suppose they will be benefited a lot. But I want to understand, Anandji, I wanted to understand from you. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Anandji, am I audible?
Please go on.
Hello? Mani sir, what happened? Hello?
Just a moment. Anand sir, are we audible, sir? Anand sir? Anand sir? Just a moment, sir. Just a moment. He is coming. Just a moment, sir.
Diyoruz ki kudrayo. Ha, gidiyor. Diyoruz हम नच क्या जल्दी. Diyoruz ki करना student के करना.
Anand sir? Anand sir, is it okay now? Anand sir? Hello? Ajal sir, can we continue? Ajal sir? Ajal sir, can we continue?
Yes, yes, yes. Why not? Is Anandji back with us?
Yes.
Anandji is back with us?
Just a moment, sir, again. Just a moment, sir, again. Ajal sir,
Yes.
I think you invited Talat sir. Yes, call him, sir.
Vanessa, but for technical glitch, it has been an excellent webinar. We have had excellent resource, but for hello.
Basically, a number of people have joined. That is why there is some sort of problem technically. Otherwise, it was a wonderful webinar. Thank you. Yes, sir. Aage.
I have joined.
Sir,
Come back. So am I audible now?
Sir, welcome again, sir. Sir, you are
Sorry, sir. There is some big problem happened here. The range has been very, very bad this morning. So, the entire connectivity has gone because of that. So I'm very sorry for that inconvenience. Anyway, sir, Talat sir, you were saying something, sir.
Yeah, Naveenji, I could not actually join your program, though we could participate with the Desai sir's program. It was very informative, but the voice was breaking. and in between we had to switch it off. Anyway, I wish those slides what you actually presented today in the lecture, those slides I would like to have a copy of them so that we act upon those information what you have provided to us. More so, and I have also noticed some of the slides from Desai Saab's presentation. Both these slides would be a guiding factor for us to proceed in this new venture of higher education for reaching out to the students of our higher education institutions, and we'll be seeking guidance from time and again, and we'll find more opportunities to have your face-to-face interaction with people. The moment we have protocol relaxed on account of COVID, we will invite both of you, because I found you both of the resource person very relevant to our theme and what the challenge we are really taking up. This will be a very good venture in case you have a mentorship for our college principals, so that you mentor them to achieve the desired objective.
Absolutely, sir.
Naveen Saab and Desai Saab, I would like to reach you back once more, and in case we are able to have some of the conditions improved in near future, we would like to have a live session, you and most of us sitting in a room or a seminar room, then we can ask others to join through video.
Perfect.
Thank you, Naveen ji. Thank you, Desai Saab. And also, I was listening some part of the Masood Maqbool Saab. Maqbool Saab was more focused on what the Department of Health is doing. Actually, we were looking for guidance from the Health Department and Psychiatry, actually, that we need some support on account of counseling the students who are actually identified by our psychology people, so that they are counseled for their mental health, their physical well-being, also connected to their mental attitude, and also prepare them for a good receiver and learners in the new challenges what is faced in the higher education. So that's what actually we expect from the experts from psychological psychiatry department, like Masood Maqbool Saab. So anyway, we are very thankful to all the people who have been participating in today's workshop. It is a step forward. We have yet to perfect ourselves, and we have to need to concrete and strategize how to proceed further. I would congratulate Professor Nasir Saab, who has been coordinating this program from the beginning, and I wish that he succeeds in the vision of taking it further. Thank you very much, Rashid Saab. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now the vote of thanks, sir, please. First of all, I extend my thanks to our worthy Commissioner Secretary, Higher Education Department, Janab Talat Parvez Rohilla, Chief Patron, Psychological Career Counseling and Placement Cell, who is a visionary and person of great vision, who has always motivated us with his thoughts and inspired us towards better to the best, who has provided us a platform to be organized. We were doing the counseling sessions throughout the nation, throughout India, but it was totally an unorganized step towards, it was an individual effort. But this way, we are very much thankful. We are very much grateful to our worthy Commissioner Secretary, Janab Talat Parvez Rohilla Saab, who has provided us such a platform that we can we could be able to serve our student community, particularly JNT students. Also, we are thankful to our worthy Director, Higher Education, Dr. Yasin Ahmad Shah Saab, whose lectures are always thought-provoking and who has been always kind and supportive in for organizing different programs, and who has been always a backbone to we people. Also, I would like to thank Mr. Anand Desai Saab, career consultant, and Naveen Badri Narayan ji, who are from Maharashtra, from Dahiya company, and I'm very much thankful to them for their thought-provoking lecture they made us aware about the new trends and challenges in the career counseling or career opportunities. I am very much thankful to the Deputy Secretary, Dr. Vikas Dar Bagati sir and Professor Saurav Kumar ji, who have been working from dawn to dusk for the establishment of this counseling cell. We are grateful to our worthy principals who have been today's special guests, particularly Dr. A.M. Dar Saab, who is the principal of Government Degree College for Women Anantnag, Dr. Ruhi Jan Kent, who is the principal of GCOE Srinagar, and Dr. Nilofar Ara, who is the principal GDC Langate, for their kind cooperation and support. We are very much thankful to our media team, particularly Mr. Rais Ahmad and Mr. Sajad Ahmad Ganai Saab, who have been on toes during the preparation and who have provided us full support in technical issues. Also, I am very much thankful to our committee, our career consultant committee, Professor Bashir Ahmad Dar Saab, who is a senior professor in economics, and Dr. Jalil Ahsan Zargar Saab, who is also a professor in in philosophy, who has been kind enough in the preparation in conducting of the webinar. Also, we are very much thankful once again. It will last but not the least. It is very, my dear students, I am very much thankful to you who participated for the webinar, who were patiently hearing the new challenges and opportunities from the experts. My dear students, there is always the beginning. We have to steer up. We have to be gear up. We have to be agitated. We don't have to sleep. Whatever the condition is, maybe, whether it may be pandemic or any kind of issue, particularly as Director Saab was saying that we do have a number of problems, internet problems, but we will not sleep. We will steer up. We will be geared up to build to make our career. Inshallah, we will be providing you a number of scholars, experts outside who will guide you, inshallah, in career counseling. There is no lack of talent, but unfortunately, there is only the lack of counseling and guidance in J&K state. And we are again thankful to our worthy Commissioner Secretary Saab, who has provided us a platform. And inshallah, we will join you soon with a series of programs through career psychological, career counseling and placement cell. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.